Hello and welcome to Design. My name is Maria and today we're going to have a little field trip. I am actually finally visiting my family. It's been a year since I visited them. Finally where I live, the restrictions of COVID have gently released us, so now we can travel in our province, and I finally could meet my new nephew that I didn't meet yet because he's so fresh. Anyways, okay, today I'm going to show you guys what I took with me on the trip, how I packed for it, what kind of outfits I decided to go for. So I have just a video just like this from the previous time that I visited them, and you can check that one out. I'll link it somewhere in here, maybe just in the description box. All right, let's just get started. So the first thing I did was figure out what kind of color scheme I wanted to go for. So I have kind of a warmer tone and a cooler tone color scheme, and I didn't want to mix them together, so I knew that I needed enough items for the cool color scheme and for the warm color scheme. I have a kind of a balance of the like going out outfits and just everyday kind of go do stuff outfits. So comfortable versus like more going to a restaurant or something along the lines. I need to have certain shoes and certain bags for that too. I have, you can see right now in the screen, I have this kind of a summer kind of esque bag that I took for me as a kind of a more of a classy, interesting bag, and my over the shoulder kind of a pouch bag that I am wearing constantly these days because it's so comfortable for kind of every day. For shoes, I have 2 pairs of high heels and 1 pair of just really comfortable dad sandals kind of a thing, but very simple, very simple. So right now I'm taking out all the things that I'm going to be wearing while I'm traveling. So that only leaves me with 2 pairs of high heels and a bag. For my figure, I love to have high-waisted pants, skirts, you name it, and a crop top, or maybe just tuck in a shirt. So I got myself a crop top, a few graphic tees. I was going camping after it. You'll see it. You'll see my whole entire weekend, kind of longer than a week. Flowy pants and a few biker shorts, because biker shorts are kind of very safe thing for me, and in the super hot heat they're like lifesavers for my chafing situation. You don't know this, but that weekend was the hottest ever that was recorded in where I live. So I knew that I needed something very flowy. I needed something very like light. I also got myself a few dresses, and I wanted them to be, as I said, very flowy, very nice, very casual, and yet I could dress them up. I like to kind of roll things and just stuff them wherever they fit. This time I had quite a lot of room still available to me, so yeah, that was pretty cool. A little bag for my makeup, for my jewelry. Jewelry doesn't take a lot of space, but it can spice up your outfit, so it is one of the easiest way to get a versatility from your outfit. So make sure to pack as much as you can. In that bag that is not very foldable, I put all of my kind of little underwear, bras, swimming suit, anything that's kind of small that can fit into this, so I'm not wasting any space. So for dresses and such, I like to wrap them around something. So for instance, it was this bag. I just took all my dresses, put them like this, and wrapped it around, so there are not going to be as many creases as if I would just fold them. Here's my first outfit. This is me in the car, on the ferry, on the car with the kids for a very long time. You'll see some footage of my son filming in the background. You'll know it. You'll know what it is. And yeah, I just have my biker shorts, a little sports bra underneath, of a really wide, very flowy kind of a corpus petal shirt that can also substitute as like a dress if I button it up, button it down. The dad sandals, very comfortable, very chill. I just wanted to cover like my body, so I'm not gonna have like a driver's arm, if you know what I mean. So I just, yeah, protected from the sun. Very nice, very chill. I love it. Don't have too many accessories, you know, I'm just driving. It's not a big deal. here is a way to upgrade that shirt. So whenever I'm traveling, I either try to have a lot of separates, like tops and bottoms, which I can like mix and match depending on a situation, or I just take a few dresses that I can upgrade. So I can wear a certain dress from morning to night and just kind of switch up the accessories, and it's kind of a little fresh outfit, but still it's new and it's appropriate for the occasion, and it's a little bit different because sometimes when you're traveling you can't really just, you know, have laundry available. You can just wear the same thing throughout the day if it's not too hot and you know, you have a totally different outfit. So here you can see me wearing the heels that I packed and the fancy bag, right? I think all of my fancy outfits are gonna have this bag, so just be patient. You know, this is kind of a capsule wardrobe that totally fits into a carry-on. Now you can see a lot more accessories. I have a little belt to kind of give that super wide shirt a shape. Have some earrings, some have some rings, a bracelet, a fresh ponytail, and that's pretty much it. That's all you need. If you are thinking of just wearing the shirt by itself, this is for like a little more casual. Maybe a nice white sneaker would be really amazing without the belt. It's kind of really flowy outfit, very kind of little sporty chic. I know square toe shoes, you guys. I was very against them in the beginning, and I'm still against a few kind of pairs. Like, I am not a fan of really square toe boot. It just looks weird to me. It looks like a duck is walking. And this one is pretty extreme for me, for my liking. I'm still okay with it, but there's going to be another pair that I'll show you guys that is not as extreme and still kind of a squarish that I'm completely okay with. But I liked this pair just because it fit my color scheme so well. Like, the two colors are basically the same, and it's kind of like through the thick toe kind of a thing, which is very popular at the moment. So here we go. Let's move on to the next look, okay? So now I have another day look. It's very flowy once again, kind of the same color as the previous outfit, but that's what I was talking about. I have some cooler kind of outfits and some warmer outfits that I'll be sharing with you guys a little bit later. So once again, I have that little, what is it, a fanny pack, kind of a satchel, I don't know, a bag that is over my shoulder. I love it. It's so easy. You can even forget about it being ever there. Just like zip it up and your hands are free to do whatever you like. Once again, those dad sandals, super comfortable, super easy for a hot day. Oh my gosh, lifesaver, honestly. Once again, a pair of glasses, and I'm just having fun. A few little accessories, nothing too much. But as I mentioned, this is a travel wardrobe. You can't really take everything that you own, so there's going to be a lot of repetition. Yeah, let's just take a look at what I came up with for it being more dressy, like maybe go to a restaurant, or like I don't go out much, so whenever I do, it's a big deal. You can see my sister. Hi, Lubichka. I love you. Anyways, here we go. Once again, the same shoes, pretty much the same color as my dress. Very flowy dress. I love it. I get so many compliments on it. I was really scared of wearing very wide, not tight clothes, and of being thinking that I might look like a potato sack, but I'm really enjoying it, and I get a lot of compliments whenever I wear these kind of outfits or dresses. So once again, I'm wearing this little bag, half moon bag, let's just call it that. It's a bamboo bag. Okay, yeah, bamboo bag. I have a few accessories, once again, just kind of a low bun and a pair of sunglasses. Very classy. There's such a minimal change from the previous outfit. Basically, I substituted the dad sandals for a high heel, and I have a different bag. That's it. A different vibe, different look. Just have my hair up this time, and yeah, I like it. So nice. Very wearable. And it was a really hot day, so I was so glad I was wearing it. And for the thigh rubbing people out there, I either wear the biker short underneath, or I have these chafing garters. So basically they're just like a strap of lace with a silicone on top, and I just put them on both my legs, and when I walk that part doesn't rub, the lace rubs on itself. So it's pretty cool. And sometimes, you know, when you have like a little accident and your skirt is a little higher than it's supposed to, then you know there's like some lace there, and it's cute. It's nice, it's interesting. They're like, oh my gosh, you know? It's like stockings without the stocking. You know what I mean? There's like this part. Anyways, okay, yeah. Moving on. Here's some pretty blue and pink sky out here. And let's take to the next day. So here we are, me and my sister driving. We got a matching sunglasses. I'm wearing pretty much this outfit. Yeah, it's not that day. I'm repeating outfits, but that's just the most sustainable way about fashion, is repeating your outfit. So don't be hating on me for that, okay? Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. So once again, wearing my comfortable shoes, which are the dad sandals, wearing this very flowy dress. So this is kind of more of a warmer tone aspect of my closet, what I took with me. I have the black bag, once again, the sunglasses, minimal accessories, just a few things here and there. And it's so comfortable, so flowy. I think I have some shorts underneath, once again, for the thigh rubbing action. You know, it's a thing. Even though like I lost a few pounds, it's still there. I doubt it will ever go away. It's just, if it's there, it's there, you know? And here I am in a more like a dressy version, still have that black bag. I honestly didn't have time to change it up, but you can see my white shoes here. They kind of, instead of the purple, not purple, Kirkus petal, okay? Instead of those, I have more of the simpler version. They're quite a comfortable shoe for a high heel. I'm once again wearing a few accessories, basically kind of similar to the ones I was wearing, but I quite like this outfit. It's very simple, and still you can go to a restaurant in it. And be careful of the wind though. Yeah, the wind. I had a lot of Marilyn Monroe kind of moments as I was like trying to like gather the dress up so it won't float. It's very light fabric. I feel like a parachute whenever I'm wearing this. So yes, shorts. Make sure you're wearing shorts underneath. Here is a little insert of us having fun on a lake. It was amazing. I loved it, and I'm rocking my new sunglasses. If you're enjoying this content so far, please consider to like this video and potentially subscribe to this channel, as this will help my channel out beyond belief. Thanks. Okay, so here is the next day. I was invited to a fancy party. I really had a difficult time figuring out what I wanted to wear, but this is what ended up being my outfit. I have this kind of a jumpsuit, very floral, very kind of summer-esque. I decided to have a top bun because it was so hot. I just didn't want to deal with my hair. Have some gold jewelry, have my bag that is very summer-esque indeed. I'm wearing my white shoes from previous, just because they're tall enough for my pants to go to the floor and not quite, you know, be on the floor. I think I bought this just for the wide leg, just because I was looking for a wide leg anything, and it was such a problem for me to find anything. So here it is. I like it. Now that I was at the party, I would probably change my outfit for something else, just because, you know, judging from everybody how they were dressed. But it's okay, I stood out, so yes. Once again, having some jewelry, rings, you know, this, it doesn't take up much space, but it gives a lot of detail to the outfit that it makes more interesting for somebody to look at. And because I didn't really have any footage of me wearing this in kind of more casual way, here is a little insert from where I wore that jumpsuit, like, I don't know, almost 10 different ways from Instagram reels. And I know that I didn't take all of these accessories with me. You can still see that it's very wearable. I could have worn it with a flat shoe and had my the same bag with me, maybe just, you know, same hair kind of style, either like two little braids or something a little just toned down, and it's very appropriate maybe to go to the beach or to go just, you know, I don't know, where for a little lunch to somewhere. Yeah, I don't go out much, so I have no idea where people go during the day. Okay, so the next outfit, it was the hottest day out there, and I'm wearing these very flowy pants with a crop top, a bun, my sunglasses, very easy, very chill, nothing special basically, just kind of a everyday outfit. And okay, here you go. I tried to dress it up a little bit. So I'm putting more accessories, maybe having a sleeker hair style, having those white shoes, white high heels, just to elevate the look a little bit. So yes, elevating via shoes, different shoes, a little less comfortable, and more accessories, maybe a different bag. I didn't wear a bag in the first one, but it's okay. Okay. And from there on, we went for camping trip. Moving on to the actual outfits, you guys. So during my camping, there isn't much of interest at all. I was basically wearing the biker shorts and variations of t-shirts that were still clean. And here we go. Dad sandals, exchanging, you know, the shirts and the bottoms to, you know, just survive the heat. You can always upgrade it. Maybe you wear a high heel and a blazer over the graphic tee. That will definitely elevate the look. Yeah, wear like maybe just freshen the hair up a little bit, do some makeup, accessories, and that will be perfect to go for a nice dinner somewhere. Here we go, a few variations for you guys. Changing up the scenery and the t-shirts, and of course from the previous looks, the pants, you can always put a t-shirt with them. So for one look I did more of like a casual dress down with the dance sandals and the AC/DC t-shirt. For the second look I decided to go for the white shirt, white heels, and you know, it's so easy to take from kind of a day look to a night look. And that is what we want. So basically, this time around, I was going for more of pieces that I could take from day to night. So I'm not overpacking. I'm not stressing out what I'm going to wear next. But yes, here we go, guys. This is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I am working on some more content for you. Fall, winter is coming, so make sure to check out the trend videos that I made that are listed down below, and let me know down in the comments what is your trick for packing, what is your strategy. Do you think about events that you need to go to and plan outfits for that and just like pack them, or do you just go wild and throw as much of things in your suitcase and you hope for the best when you get there? It's, you know, it happens sometimes, so don't stress out. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you guys are having a wonderful summer, and yeah, stay classy. Bye.